Hey guys, alright, hi YouTubies. Tonight I'm going to have salted caramel milk. Oops. Yep, there it is. Salted caramel milk. And smoked Gouda and Chives potato chips. I've never tried these before, so I'm not sure about these. Little taste test here. Same with the salted caramel. I've never had that before either, so we're going to see how this both taste. Smells good. See how this tastes. It smells. Oh, that smells good. Oh, you can definitely smell the salted caramel in it. Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh. See that real well? That's good. Scoop a little bit in your hair, crunch. Oops. Like that. What's up? That's yummy. There we go. You guys have not tried these, you really should. I don't know. I didn't even know they had these out. But they're by Lay's. Smoked Gouda and Chives. Awesome. Sorry, cat just took off. Where's that cat? Not really sure what Gouda tastes like, but I can definitely taste the sour cream. Or Chives, sorry. That's what it reminds me of. Is it's like a sour cream and chives, a little different. Crazy cat. She's trying to sneak up on me. I see you. Snuggles. Snuggle bud. She's a brat. Yeah, you are. Alright, go. That is awesome. I didn't know there was such a thing as salted caramel milk. Wow. Usually chocolate's my favorite, but it's like, oh, I'm in heaven. It's so good. Glad I tried these. These actually grew really good. When I first seen the smoked Gouda, I was like, I wasn't sure if I wanted to try them or not because I don't know much about Gouda, smoked Gouda. Yeah, I try these again. One more. Last one. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want. Let me know what you guys think of these, if you've ever tried them, as well as if you have ever tried the salted caramel milk. Oh, trust me, amazing. You'll like it. That's good. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends if you want, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.